Hey guys, in this video I want to make a full review of the Android 5.0.2 Lollipop CyanogenMod 12 unofficial build on the Galaxy Note 4. So if you want to have the Lollipop on your Note 4, you can have it via CM12 here. So I'll be making a tutorial for that, putting the link in the description. So you can see that this is the Note 4, the quad-core N910F version. So this is not available for the octa-core version. So if you are using the Exynos octa-core version, you have to wait for the Lollipop to come. And if you try this on your phone, if you try to install it, and then you will get a brick device. So your device might get hard brick. So don't do that. So first, I want to show you that this is running the Android version 5.0.2, which is very great. So of course this is the latest version of the Android at the moment, 5.0.2, even latest than the Nexus 5 and some Nexus devices which are still on the 5.0.1. And you can see this is the model number SM910F. So it feels very smooth here, but a lot of stuff is not working, and I suggest that you should not install it. You should not use it as your daily driver. If you want to install it and just want to show off and just check out some things here, you can do that. But I will not recommend you to install it as your daily driver. So don't do that. But anyways, I haven't installed the G apps because with the G apps it was like difficult for the device, to boot up. So I was having some boot up issues. So I decided to boot it up without installing the G apps, and it worked. So you can see that we do have now this multitasking here. You can see all just cool the button here to close that, and also if we go here in the settings, we have a new kind of setting here, USB type. It's not TouchWiz. Of course, some simple options on the top, and some status bar option. Where you can check the brightness control, quick pull down settings. You can disable that if you want to. Quick pull down. You can see that the right edge of the status bar pull down, quick settings. Of course, you can off that. Like you can see, if I click it on, it will open up quick settings. Then also there is show battery percentage option. You can have this icon or like text. You can change that. It's very cool. 13%. So then also you can have some other options here, weather option. Then also if we go down to the buttons, here we also have some options like wake up device with the home button, of course, answer call. You can set some custom actions if you want to. Then display, of course, we have some normal display options. You can also change the font. Then also double tap to wake on the status bar to put the device to sleep. So let's see if this works or not. Okay, let's try it again. So you can see that that didn't work, but still that option is there. So of course the development is in progress, so we'll see a better version of this, or more better custom ROM based on this. So I'll be making some more ROM reviews which are based on the stock ROM, which will be more awesome. Then also wake unplug, and this option adaptive backlight, which will automatically adjust the brightness to maximize the battery. You can turn on. It's a pretty great feature there, but I'm not sure if you're going to work with this at the moment or not. But you can also see that we have the notification light option. You can change the color of notification light from white to red, and then also you can set some custom values. That is pretty awesome. And then we also have some battery light option, same option there. You can change that. You can see it looks extremely amazing. You can see I don't know how it happens, but that is amazing. You can change colors, and this will apply air, and you can see that light is changing if I do the black, white, and then also If I move it around in the orange section, you can see now it's orange. Orange looks way more awesome. And I can also have this the green color. You can see that is so amazing. So you can see that that stuff works, and you can also have some other sounds. You can disable that to maximize your battery life. Touch sounds, vibrate on touch, and then also you can have a lot of different stuff there. Storage option. Let's see how much storage we are getting. So we are getting 24.48 gigabyte of total space, and you can see available is 19.46 with some apps and stuff is installed, and some other options, some other stuff is available here. MISC, which includes some different files stored in the device like ROM and some other stuff that I transferred. So you will get 24 gigabyte of space, and that is amazing because 24 gigabyte, you know, when you install the Samsung software, you get a little bit less than that. And then also, if we have the battery option here, it will show you the battery, how much approx 4 hours left. You can see battery life, of course, Nord 4 is rocking in that section. Then we also have the users and then system profile. Then some normal options, and the super user option. Then if we go to about section and we tap to the build number a couple of times, you can see I'm not a developer here. I'm now a developer, and I have a developer option where I can do some stuff there, root access, and then also some important options like USB debugging, which is turned on as the default, of course. So it is extremely great to install this here, and you can see I can have recent screen like this, and if I hold down the home key, I still get the recent screen here. So there's no Google Now set up here. So also if I double tap here, nothing happens. So of course a lot more features has yet to be added here. So then also you can see the messaging app here. This is the browser. Then also we have the dialer. And then also we have the contacts. You can see no crashing there. So it's not that bad, but you know, stuff like Wi-Fi works. I can show you that if I go to settings, and let's see if my device is catching Wi-Fi at the moment or not. Let's see. So I'm going to enter the password here. Let's see how much time I'm going to take to connect to the connection here. You can see it's connected, so we're going to try to open up a web page. So open up Google. As you can see, the browser with its screen color looks pretty amazing. Let's see. So I'm getting very low signals because I'm not close to the Wi-Fi connection, but I've used Wi-Fi and it works. Let's try to connect to the other here, the connection here. Just enter the password quickly. Okay, it's connecting. Connected. Unfortunately, time service has stopped, so you can see it is still not recommended to use it as your daily driver. But you can see, open up the Google. Let's search something. If I search this, you can see that web browser working, and of course I can't really zoom in it here. Now I can do that. So you can see it's very fast actually. This is stats.yt, of course, showing up my stats here. 7 million plus views, these much subscribers there, but this videos and every single stuff can be shown here. So you can see we're zooming out, zoom in and zoom out works pretty fine to me, just like any other iOS device. So very cool there. And you can also hold this button to close everything, which is also pretty good. So just a quick little video here, full review of the Android 5.0.2 CM12 ROM here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe for more and more videos. I'll be comparing it with other phones too. So thank you so much for checking out. I'll see you next one. Peace.